So I thought I'd do a little room tour. She's got a little starlight behind her shelves and a little mirror. And all there. These are her toys that she's going to be, they're not her toys, but this is our stuff that we're donating to the Lad Baby book there. We're going to be donating this to Tesco's toy drive. Some nice books, colouring set, and we've got a bath bomb set that she's going to be donating. She's going to take and donate. I'll use this for all of her odds and ends, and then she's got some medical stuff in there. In here she's got all of her keepsakes in there, and all of her Disney drawers. They're really pretty from B&Q. So all of her kids Disney keepsakes are in there. And then up here we've got a nice little wardrobe, a pink and green wardrobe. Uber old from IKEA, but it's been fantastic. Up there she's got her lounge flies, some of her precious things we've collected over the years. That glitzy lounge fly, if you can see at the back there, we got that for $10. Florida madness. Her Christmas baubles she made last year. Just hang them up there. Paris, obviously, because we love Paris. Her elephants. A little dream catchers and things there. Lovely shelves. This was off her godparents, Mel and Nick. Her little star wand from Paris. Mental. I love this bed in mind, this Christmas bed in. So Mickey and Minnie. These are the Mickey and Minnie. We got these the first Christmas we went, the first year we ever went to Disney. My mum bought her one and me and Jace bought her one. So they come out at Christmas time. All of her lovely teddies. And this is her disability bed, which is awesome. So I can set her up. Top there. I'm not going to do it because it'll make a mess. And then I can raise the bed up for my back. Look at that. Ooh. And then under there in this little box, I've got her hoists and everything and her gaiters. It's really handy. Then I've got this great storage bag from IKEA. It's just a little zip up storage box, but I put all her bedding in case she has any accidents or she spills a drink. Sometimes she has a drink in bed, you know, like children do, or she might lie down and have a snack. Well, not lie down and have a snack, but she might have a snack or, you know, mishaps. I'm going to put her bed back down because Rowan will be playing with it. Otherwise, there are lovely bits in her window. It's a super, super awful day. And I've got some Christmas lights that, well, they're not Christmas lights, but they're butterfly lights. And they're a bit like a fibre optic effect. They change colour. So I'm going to put these up now. I'm just literally cleaning all of her room. So I've done this half and then I'll show you the other half. And I'm just going to literally put these lights up, or ask Jace to put these lights up more appropriately. And then I'm going to switch them on. So when she comes home from school, she'll have these little lights on. They normally go on her Christmas tree. She'll have a pink tree with these butterfly lights on. But this year she's got, I'll show you even though it's a bit of a mess, massive TV. Because we have our balloon from Lad Baby. We're trying to keep him going a bit. And she's got her crown she's made. Her ears are ready. But yeah, I'm having a big Christmas clear out. So yes, I'm going to put those lights up. But because she's got the big TV, she's not got a Christmas tree this year in her room, which upsets me a lot. But I said to Jace, you know, we either take her TV away and give her the smaller TV we've got in our room, or I'm going to show you his bedding because it's gorgeous. Or we sort of leave her TV, and I just thought it'd be more upsetting for her to lose her big TV because she does like to sit in bed. Like she wakes up uber early, so she likes to lie in bed and watch TV before school, and that's her, like, how she gets ready for school and ready for a day. And I know it would just super distress her, so I just have to think about that. She's got some of her toys there, so look, this is why I've got to sort all out and tidy up. But such is life. I'm not getting rid of any of this. This is the stuff we're keeping. I'm just sorting it out, tidying it up, because her seat's over there and I need to be able to get it in, and Rowan puts toys everywhere. So yeah, so let's get these lights up. What do you think?
They're lovely. She's going to love them when she gets home.
I think that's better. They're longer than I thought they were.
Yeah.
What do you think about just leaving them up there?
I think it's a really good idea.
I think they're going to look so pretty tonight when it's actually dark. Because it's just wintry now, it's not dark.
I'm sort of like the worst height possible now to do this.
Hello!
That my head is literally resting on the ceiling.
You should have said I'd move the bed down.
That's fine.
You've made a right mess of her bed. Get down then. Men. No, you've done a good job. Thank you, babe. Oh, you can see them properly now you're not there.
Yeah, they look really nice.
You've made that wonky now.
Well, it was trying to fall down at one point, so at least it stood up there.
We'll just whack it. There we go. Oh, lovely. Hi guys, so I'm in the dark. Rowan is asleep, but we've basically just finished the nursery. Yay! So exciting. I think we need to get a rug and we need to get a chair so I can sit and read to him, and I think I'm going to put some more shelves up and stuff. But pretty much we've done like half the nursery now, and so on like his other wall I think I'm going to put like a little bookshelf and a nice chair that I can sit and read to him. So that'd be really nice. And I want to get like a little toy box to go under his like pyjama and nappy box so I can put some of his toys in. So yeah, I'm really excited that it's finally finished. He's 18 months, guys, and it's finally finished, which is ridiculous, isn't it? But it's nice him to have his own space properly, because it was just, there was just so much of our stuff like in his area. It's just ridiculous. And now it's not, now it's like his area now, like it's his own space, which is lovely. So bye guys. This is Isla's room tour and Rowan's room tour. Bye guys.